Hello, gamers. I do believe we've gone live. Let me send out the ping. There we go. Oh, yeah. They were not ready for this one. They thought I was dead. They thought I was gone. They thought I had forgotten what Minecraft was, but no. We're here, and we're gonna do, as the title says, some boring paper fork development. It's gonna be thrilling. All of you crazy people who are clicking on a video that literally has boring in the title. Hi. That newbie dude, Kuzi, Mr. Zero Skill, Smackman, Pigeon Addiction, that's a banger name, Kabook, Mine Logan, Hexasan, yo. Hi everybody, Ravannual, Jif Jif. Good names out here today, folks. Let me see if I can make my chat bigger so I can actually read what's in the sidebar. Oh, let's go. I can read my chat. Yay. Hi, everybody. Paper fork. How will you eat food with that, bruh? I actually have a video about paper forks coming out whenever I finish editing it, and by whenever I finish editing it, I mean whenever I start editing it, because I recorded the audio yesterday. I recorded all the B-roll that I need, and now all I have to do is edit it, which, editing, that's easy. You just sit down, you just edit. TP, I watched so many of your tutorials today. Oh my god, that's awesome. Yay, I'm using my mobile data for this. Good choice, good choice. Why light mode? Okay. Light mode GitHub, I mix up whether I use light mode or dark mode depending on different things. I use light mode on GitHub because I'm like, GitHub, I'm only using that during the day. I don't want to be like sleepy, right? Dark mode, it's relaxing, it's nice, it's comfortable. Light mode GitHub is correct. Dark mode Discord is correct. Everything else is preference. Exactly. Mr. Zero Skill, you understand. You get it. Let me put this, oh, I have it on top chat. Let me put it on live chat. Let's see what that does. It looks the same. Good morning. It's currently 1 a.m. I want to sleep. Should I? I mean, when do you normally go to bed? Like, is it your bedtime? Or if you want to sleep, you should sleep. It's a nice middle of the day, 2 p.m. Perfect time for me to start coding and then hit that 4 p.m. crash right when I hit my flow. It's perfect timing. All right, while everybody's rolling up, let me show a little bit of what we're doing today. So I just made the source code public for my custom paper fork called Legit Slime Paper. Now, this right here is the source code for Legit Slime Paper. I've got a little instance of it running, and it does a small handful of things. It does not do a lot of things. Okay, that's cool. Is it gonna do that forever? Oh my god, all right. I think that's because I'm running Axiom. I think I need to turn off all my mods. Let me start up a vanilla Minecraft. This is gonna be a really annoying stream. I already know. Do I have a 1.20.6 set up? No, I don't. Let me just bump this up to 1.20.6. There it is. No, that's the wrong one. No. Stop. Basically, the port is 25566. That hurts somewhere. Yeah, it's 25566 because I'll be running this concurrently while developing the server network itself, and the server network runs on 25565 like normal. And so I run this, the dev server on 25566. Yes. All right, I'm not that crazy. I don't do that by default. What actual live me and Max were actually talking about it? I saw in the Discord, Max said, I wonder if Legitimoose will stream today. And I was like, you know what? I could stream today. Aha, okay, it was because of Axiom. Let's go. They changed the way dust particles work? Hold up. I did not know about that. Also, can I switch to a different window? Do I have... Hold on, I'm scared. I'm scared. What's gonna happen if I do this? Hold on. What is in my... Ah. Look at this. Now we have this horrible little unreadable chat in the corner. Isn't that nice? Isn't that wonderful? Okay. Yeah, allow negative explosion radius is one of the big things that this server does because paper makes it so negative explosion radiuses don't work, which is kind of a key thing for how player motion manipulation data packs work, like Delta. And so if I want full vanilla compatibility, I've got to come in and allow negative explosion radiuses because they've got this patch which literally just clamps it at 0. And I say, no, don't do that. This is not even my patch. Yes, it says Moose, but that's the convention. Why slime paper? So I kind of regret the decision to use slime paper. So this server, as you can see, why does it say paper server? Oh, because 1.20.6 is weird. Yeah, this just says I'm running paper. Curious. They changed how the version names work a lot. Yeah. My patches are not finished yet. Basically, paper is like the normal Minecraft server that people run. I started running advanced slime paper so that I could store slime worlds, which are a special world format developed by Hypixel to be ultra compact. So I put those in a database so that they're easy to store, easy to load. It makes development simple for me and Logbog. However, it also means that there's some weird memory limitations since the whole world is loaded into memory. Good night, DexFlex. Good luck. Thank you. Don't you need the decompiled jar of the Minecraft server, which is also against TOS? No, it's not against the TOS to decompile the Minecraft server. Otherwise, modding would be impossible. So that's the way that these work. My source code is just patch files. The only thing I'm distributing on GitHub is these patch files, which modify the decompiled source code. You decompile it on your PC using a decompiler called Paperweight, and that just makes it work. It just works. It's really hard. So basically the problem is this. Command blocks. Yeah, redistributing it is the issue. So the issue here, we've got to fix a security hole today. I don't know if I'll be able to do it on stream because I'm a little bit distracted by trying to talk. But probably I'm going to go silent and stare at the screen for a long time. So first I'll explain it, and then you guys can explain it to the people in chat who come in asking what the heck is going on. If you put a command in a command block, it can run anything in the game. If I want to run the plugins command, I can do that. However, I have written a patch that says non-vanilla commands cannot be executed in command blocks. Amazing. This is the security patch, because this plugins command, this could also be a permission management command. This could be like the equivalent of /op, and that's a big problem. However, this looks great. It looks like it doesn't run, and that's true. However, in 1.20.6, they changed how command registration works. So now, I can just do execute run plugins, and it gives me the list of plugins. It runs perfectly. So this is what we have to fix. This is the problem. And I think probably the place to look is in the execute command, which scares me because the execute command is very complicated. But I think if I can just change the node that goes here and lists all the commands to be a vanilla exclusive one, Then we'll see. Yeah. Right? It used to work. This patch used to work in 1.20.4 or 1.20.2, but they patched it. They improved paper, and they ruined my patch. So now we've got to dig into the source code of Minecraft and find out where the hell I can insert a patch to fix this. So let's just start looking. Probably we start in net.minecraft.commands. Do we have the execute command in here? Or do I have to import it? Ragebird, please stop spamming. I see your messages. I can't respond to everyone. I'm trying to code here. Execution task. This does not look like the list of commands. I think I'm gonna have to import it somewhere. What is all this stuff? Why are they formatted? Package info.java. What the hell is this? I had never seen nothing like that. I'm not sure you're allowed to have Minecraft source code on your screen. Well, listen, we'll take down the stream afterwards. Nobody will care. If you're gonna recompile Minecraft by screenshotting my stream, then dude, honestly, power to ya. You can just run the decompiler. It's not hard to get this code. Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's the file named command. No, so this is the generic commands parser. I think execute, yeah, there's a problem is execute is a very common word. Aha. Wait, here we go. Execute command. Aha, found it. Found it. All right, it's in the Gradle cache. Shouldn't you try to change the command executor itself to basically not run any non-vanilla commands? Yeah. Yeah, the thing is that, well, /execute is a vanilla command. It is getting run as, I guess, a player or a command block. But that was my original patch, and I wasn't able to figure that out. So I'd like to look at the execute command source code and see if I can just, like, chop it off right here. Jesus Christ. I love reading Mojang's source code. Okay. Okay, so here's run. Here it is. We register command literal run, and then we redirect to the dispatcher root. Now the dispatcher root, what the hell is this? Dispatcher.getRoot, okay. There's comments. Why are there comments? Oh, this is from Brigadier. Oh. Brigadier is the command library that Mojang uses, and Brigadier, the command parsing library, is open source, so it has comments and all that stuff. Interesting, okay. Get root. So, how did it work before? How were they registering commands without getting it on the root? What the hell? Paper Brigadier. Oh. Move bucket commands. Oh, previously bucket used one command dispatcher and ignored Minecraft's reloading logic. In order to allow for legacy commands to be properly added, we will iterate through previous bucket commands in the old dispatcher and re-register them. Ayo. Oh, wait. So I could just turn this off and it should revert to the old behavior, yes? When does this get run? This gets run in Minecraft server. Okay. So what if I just... Where is this? Source Minecraft? Yeah, what if I just don't run this? What if I just turn that code off Is that it? Is that the entire patch? If it is, I'm gonna lose my mind because I've been procrastinating doing this for literal weeks because I thought it was gonna be so hard. Okay. So now, let's rerun the server. Rebuild this bad boy. Yo, Clouser, welcome. Fix, coming out the stuff that does what you don't want. Exactly. That's basically how this entire fork works. There's just one or two things. Like this part where I fix, you could make a chat message with a click event that would run commands like /vote or /op, and it was, you know, it was a problem. So I just made it so in the style class, it checks if it's a vanilla command or a blacklisted command. And if it is, simply don't do it. Chore, this entire project, exactly. Now don't worry about these errors. Every time it builds, there are exactly 100 errors. Oh, god damn it. No, not this again. Oh, I've seen this before and I don't remember how I fixed it. Oh, no. Oh, what the hell? Please. Oh, no. I saw this happen last time I tried to do something. How did I fix this? Dude, I was stuck on this for like hours and I don't remember what I did. Because it can't find this get class logger thing. Now, okay. There is a microscopic chance that I am smart and I took notes. Migrating to 1.26, 1.20.6, I took notes. Oh, Jesus, this is not very helpful, is it? No, this does not help me. Oh. How the hell did I fix this last time? Run dev server doesn't work. Let me just run it one more time for good measure, just to make sure that it doesn't work. Just make a purper fork. Bruh. Yeah. What the hell is this? Did I figure out how to do this? Hold on. Why? Why? Was it some Gradle cache thing? I feel like it would be. I'm scared if I run clean that it'll like delete the entire project and take 45 minutes to rebuild. God. Oh. Cause I'm pretty sure if I can do this, it'll work. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try just putting clean in here and see what the hell happens. Fixes the problem in 2 minutes, takes the next 2 hours to fix a different problem. This is the curse of paper fork development. I remember I encountered, I think it was this bug. Maybe it was a different one. But I looked in the PaperMC Discord and I found posts from like all of the lead developers of Paper encountering the same bug that I was and being like, what the hell, how do I fix this? And I was like, oh, well, one, this is a very hard problem, and two, I am on the path to glory because all the people who have come before me have encountered the same exact bug. Here. Baby sensory video, we gotta run around the lobby. We gotta run in circles while it builds. 100 warnings, that's all the warnings. Now do the errors kick in? Are we about to see a bunch of errors? Wait, oh, it's building. It's building. It works. Oh, okay. Is our code still in here? Yeah, that's still commented out. Okay. Execute run. Plug in that still works. God damn it. Are there other ones? Are there like /version? Like, is it just all of them work? Because I swear there's like /ican has bucket. Yeah, they're all still there. How? How is it doing it? So long, Gaster Weed. Thanks for tuning in. How is it doing that? This is the code that's getting run, isn't it? Minecraft server. Yeah, this is the source code. So this should be what's running. I want to put a breakpoint somewhere just to verify that it is actually attached to the process. Just because I'm insane. This is my amazing code to block a bunch of the commands. In case you were ever wondering. This is how you do it. This is the professional technique. Now, how the hell is it doing this? What is pgive? What is /pgive? Huh? Pgive? What is this? What the hell is /pgive? Hold on. Paper MC pgive. Dude, what is this? It must be an alias. Is it just /give? Pgive at s. Yeah. It's just /give. That's hilarious. Is that in vanilla paper? Did I do that somehow? I'm like, my first thought was that I made a typo and renamed the give command by mistake. That's messed up. Okay. Well, basically that didn't work. And honestly, I'm not sure why. Because this should only be happening the one time. All right, we're going to rebuild or rerun it with a breakpoint, and we're gonna look at the breakpoint. Because this should never get called. Let's also put a breakpoint here, just in case. I love when my debugging tools work. All right, please breakpoint, do the thing. Build successful. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Is that it? Oh, it crashed. It was locked. Because the Minecraft server is still running. How the hell are you still running? Stop. Oopsie. That's a skill issue on my part. Debug it again. Do it again. The worst thing about debuggers is setting it up, truly. I think my debugger works fine. I'm like 99% sure this works. I just want to get in here. And what I really want to see is what is in these variables. Mods are easier than plugins? I found plugins to be a lot easier than mods. Mods scare me. They're fun, but they're frightening. And it didn't hit the breakpoint. Hello? I mean, maybe that's my fault. Command dispatcher. Take me down to here. Put a breakpoint here. Verify that this is actually doing something, please. Aha, okay, it does actually work. My breakpoint does work. Cool. Ain't no way Legitimoose? Yeah, it's coding time. Okay. I'm really sad that didn't work on the first try because I thought I was so smart for turning this off. Move bucket commands. All right, well, since this does work, I would really like to put a breakpoint here and see what it does. So we're gonna rerun it and we're gonna look at the data. By the way, how's the audio levels? Can you guys hear me okay? And also, there's like some royalty-free lo-fi beats playing in the background. Are those too loud or are they completely inaudible? Because last time I watched back my stream and it was scuffed. Audio's good. That's good. You'll love to hear it. Music is mega quiet. It is indeed mega quiet. Let me bump it up just slightly. It's just like trap drum beat right now. There we go. Yeah. Splendid. No, don't do this to me again. Please. It's doing the thing again where it's haunted. Now we get to do a clean build, I guess. We get to do the slow build. I love paper development. It is my favorite activity. Well, now we get to sit here while it does that. You guys having fun? I'm amazed that 67 people decided to click on a stream that literally says boring in the title. Yeah. I got a video on paper forks coming up because I've kind of been losing my mind. It's actually really kind of fun to look at the internals of how Minecraft servers work. I've found it really interesting. What am I developing? I'm trying to disable the execute command. I'm trying to prevent it from running plugin commands. That's what we're developing right now. For security reasons. Boring is subjective. Paper forks are eternal. You're watching this while building a custom Nerf gun? Oh my god. That's awesome. Logbog builds custom Nerf guns. He'll roll up, we'll hang out, and I'll be like, yo, check this out, and I'll bring out a Nerf gun, and he'll shoot it, and it'll sound like a real gun, and I'm like, what the hell? Are we hitting that breakpoint? Are we? We didn't hit the breakpoint. Bruh. This never got ran. What do you mean? It's in the source code. Did we not debug it? Oh, it looks like we just ran it. Debug. Debug. You have a good bit of experience in C#, Python, Bash, Batch, and JavaScript, but you can't figure out Java, partially because IDEs. Dude, IntelliJ IDEA is so good. Like, legitimately, IDEA is like my favorite IDE that I've ever used, I think. It's so nice. Like, the debugging tools, the Git UI, everything about it is so fantastic. You know, Revaniel, normally I'd be offended when someone says bored, leaving in the chat. I'm like, that's bad stream etiquette, typically. But I did put boring in the title, so just this once, I'll allow it. Oh, wait. Oh, this is only in... Oh, this is in reload resources. Oh, hey. I think this is not getting ran when I thought it was. I think if I do this... Yeah. Now it gets run. Okay. So this does not do what I thought it did. Interesting. Paper Brigadier. Maybe it's this other function in the class. Maybe the other one next door does the thing. Wrap node. What does this do? Wraps a vanilla command wrapper. Ooh. Does it do something with the root here? Because that's what we want to know. This is like finding a needle in a haystack. Exactly. That is literally... I am going to spend hours on this, and in the end, it will, I swear to God, be a fix that is less than 5 lines. It'll probably be 1 line. It'll probably be commenting out 1 line. Like this, maybe. Bucket Brig forwarding map. Okay, this is really interesting. We're kind of in the good stuff. Oh god, Googling, does blank pass by reference? Yeah, oh my god, I hate that. I spent over an hour to change 2 lines to update Delta. Okay, what the hell is this class? This map is supposed to act as a legacy bridge for the command map and the command dispatcher. Interesting. Oh. So basically they've combined them. That's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, okay. I'm only half lying when I say this makes sense to me. Is there an add? Put. Here we go. Yeah, so it adds it to the root. Oh. Is this the only put? Put all, and then that just puts each of them. Okay. This dot put, okay. Maybe these are the commands we have to get rid of. This might break the entire thing if we disable these, but let's see what happens here. What is old? The string? Oh, it returns a command? What the hell? All right, let's see what this does. Reload confirm. Okay. So this passes in the version command. Okay, that's what we like to see. And then the next one should be version, bucket ver, about, reload. Okay. Yeah, so this is all the bucket commands. That's good. That is good. Very nice. Okay. So what if I just turn this off? Would that be a problem? Would that be bad? If I just say, this does nothing anymore. Surely that's not surely that causes no issues. Oh, make the text a little bigger. That is so true. Oh. Where? Font size. Oh. Font size, control mouse wheel. Yeah, let me do it. It won't let me scroll. I need a hotkey. We'll just do it. This is the worst. Control Shift A. It's just whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. That should be a little bit more readable. Was making a fork really the only option? Basically, yes. Like, because the thing is, writing a plugin that does this, one, a plugin probably couldn't do this, and two, writing a plugin, there is a small chance that writing a plugin, wait, why is there a single at? Uh-oh. Thank you. Oops. I pressed my secret hotkey for typing ah. All right. Ooh. Okay. That fails. Okay, but now we can't run the commands at all. So now the commands just aren't being registered whatsoever. Although pgive is still there. Pgive is still registered. So that's a little bit disconcerting. I don't know why that's there. What the hell? What is it, dude? Minecraft pgive command. Cause yeah, I'm like, that has to be like a paper thing or a bucket thing. But what the hell is it? No, pgive. I swear it's just a typo. I think I hit the letter P by mistake somewhere. Like, surely that can't be real. All right. So this does just disable everything. This just removes the command outright, which also is not what we want, because those commands do need to get executed. Is it possible? Ooh, okay. Okay, hear me out. Let me... This is annoying me. I want daytime. I want clear weather. Hear me out. When the server starts up, we could make a clone of the dispatcher root. So we could clone this in a state before any plugin commands are registered. Then we have /execute use our custom clone. So /execute isn't actually using the command root, it's using our new vanilla only root. That's my idea. I feel like there's gotta be something easier, but also it doesn't sound that hard. It wouldn't be that bad, come on. Dispatcher, does it call get root all the time in here? No, it doesn't. Does it just access the root all the time? Yes, it does. That's for like tab completion. I don't know. This execute just uses a redirect. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Root command node. We're gonna call this vanilla root. It doesn't like that. Might not have been initialized. Oh, where is this initialized? Root equals root. Oh. Wait, when does this happen? Hello? Does this happen really early? Oh, so it creates a new one. That happens. Oh, Jesus. Oh, boy. This is gonna be fun. Why are there multiple? Okay. Dispatcher. And then it registers them all to the dispatcher. Yeah. Good. Uh-huh. For each node, we filter. So this is how it worked before, which is each node, I added a custom thing called command block allowed, and it just sets it to false for some of them. Brigadier command API. Okay. So then it goes through and registers all of them to this. Why does it do it here? Oh yeah, why is the text small again? What? The text is small again. Dude. Oh. Oh. There we go. All right. I do also need to be able to read it, and I want it to be as small as possible so I can see this stupid code. Yeah. Create legacy Minecraft namespace commands. I don't even want that to happen, but we can turn that off in the settings. We do that anyway. So where it registers all of them here? Okay. Yeah. I have a really stupid idea. This is absolutely brain dead. Do not follow my example. Can I do like this? How do they register this thing? Where do they do this? They put S in there. I don't. S. That's not a thing. That isn't how this works. This isn't how it even works, dude. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. Yeah, and this happens. What the hell? Oh, God. So they just register an entire dispatcher. And then they register it to the dispatcher. Okay. Okay, hold on. I just want to make a clone of the root node right here. Did I already have this? I already had this. I had this vanilla command nodes thing. Although this is commented out and says it's from paper, so maybe that's not mine. Yeah, there was some weird vanilla command nodes thing. I don't know what that is. Right here. Moose. Clone of vanilla command node root. So can I just do this dot dispatcher dot get root? Can I clone this? No. I can't clone it. So I'm gonna have to make a new one. How the hell? Root command node, they just make one. Oh, the new keyword. Dude, I forgot the new keyword. I've been writing too much Kotlin. Root command node. Vanilla commands equals this. Cool. He doesn't like that. Can I put a random letter in there? Why do they all have random letters in theirs? This one does. How do they do that? What is S? Oh, this takes S. Why do you... Oh, we just don't put that there. Okay, I know Java. I know Java, guys. Don't worry. Dot. Get children. For each. Isn't there a... Yes. Yes. Good. Commands dot add child. Okay. So this basically clones it. We've copied it. It's generic. Try using var keyword. Oh, right. I forgot about var. They don't use var anywhere else in here, so I'm not sure if I should do that. Okay, we're at the thrilling part here. We now have a list of vanilla commands. Moose end. Yes, gotta get my formatting correct. So this, I now want this to be somewhere more visible. like up here. Public static. Oh, you know it's good. You know it's good. Now this might get run. I don't know if this gets rerun when the server reloads. If it does, we'll deal with that. But for now we have this. And now in the execute command, instead of dispatcher.getRoot, we're going to commands.vanilla commands. Oh, it hates it. Oh, it's mad. It's so mad. What is .getRoot return? It returns a root command node of type S. Why? Why does it let you just put S in there? What? Commands. It's a root command node. What is the problem? Cast a literal argument builder, command source stack. What the hell? Think you had an extra parenthesis? Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's wonderful. Okay. Ain't no way this works. Literally no shot. But I will try it. We stop. We Try to run dev server. Oh boy. Second attempt at a patch for the command block exploit, where /execute can just run any command it wants. And now we're just waiting for this progress bar down at the bottom, because it takes a hot minute. And if it gives us a bunch of errors, we have to run the even slower version of the build command. So please don't do that. I'll peep chat momentarily. Bro, everybody's just laughing at pgive. Dude, is /pgive in here? No. No, there's no pgive. Oh, and the errors are back. Okay, stop. Nope. Abort. We have to do clean run dev server. Because something happens with like the Gradle cache. Uh-oh, why is there an error? Oh, you don't like that. That shouldn't be in there. Wait, yes it should. No, wait, yes, we need that. No, wait, we shouldn't? Yes, no, yes, no, wait, oh god. Yeah, no, that's good. There was an actual error, so it wouldn't have compiled anyway. Welcome to the live stream. Where we wait for things to build. We're compiling. Y'all seen that one XKCD? I feel like this, hold on. Compiling. Like, this old classic. Yeah. It's compiling. I feel like such a real developer. Hello, the red villager. Welcome. We're waiting for the code to build. Shouldn't be too much longer now, and then we'll get to see if I have fixed it. Because I believe this is the last thing that I have to fix before 1.20.6 can come to the Legitimoose server. If this works, I'll gift 5. Well, we're about to find out. Because we need it to not prevent players from running the command, but oh, we hit a breakpoint. Apparently I forgot to remove that. That's good. So is /version here? /version is here. Execute run. It is there, but no, it just runs normally. Just runs fine. Yeah. Execute run. Why? I changed it. Oh, wait. Oh, this is not part of the source code. You see how it's yellow? That means it hasn't been imported. Okay. Dev imports. Oopsie. So we didn't even run the code. All right. You have to, thank God there's instructions here, because I was about to Google how this works. To import classes from vanilla Minecraft jar, use Minecraft. And then we should just be able to do net/Minecraft/server/commands/execute command. And how do I do this? Oh, I don't know how to do this, actually. We do have to go to contributing.md. This is my favorite file. It tells me how to do things. I have spent literally hours reading this contributing file trying to figure out how the hell to do things. Access transformers. Okay, so I do have to repatch the server. God damn it. Alright, do I have any serious changes here? No. So I'll tell you what we're gonna do. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Oh my god. We're gonna do that. And we've added our dev import. I want the entire thing to import classes, use that. Command.java. I don't know why there's two different ways to do it. Why is there two different ways to do it? Are they both fine? Format. Both a fully qualified name and a file. Oh, okay. So I could have done it the other way. Well, that's fine. Now I just rerun apply server patches. And this shouldn't take too long because I've only got 6 patches and it should be pretty smart. Why is chat delayed by a minute? I don't know, but I have the chat up on my second monitor and I can read it. Moose community, who's running that channel? I have no idea. I have no idea who runs the Legitimoose community. Okay. Wait, so I should have this now. Main, Java, net, Minecraft, commands. No, where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. Execute command. Net Minecraft server. Net Minecraft server commands. Ah, here it is. It was probably already in here. Is there anything from paper in here? No, there's not actually. Okay. So now we do that whole thing of commands dot vanilla commands, which yes, that's gonna give me an error because we have to re-copy this stuff in. Would you believe that this is like the correct way to do it? I swear I'm not making this up. This is like fairly close to the intended way to do things. Yeah. Oh, it's yellow. Why? Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, we don't worry about that. Here on the Legitimoose development channel, we do not worry about, oh my God, about that many warnings. It's fine. Why is there an error though? There's an error? Hold on. Down here? Down here. Oh, it's ambiguous. And yet somehow this compiles? Huh? But if I put it back to this, no warnings. No warnings at all. But if it's like this, warnings. Root command node. Can I want to put S. Can I do like command dispatcher dot S? Because I think it's got some complaint. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't know why it is displeased with me. Let's see if it will compile even with that error. Let's see if it'll just do it. Didn't specify the generic type. Yeah, I'm not the best at understanding generics. I know how they work, but like, they're not something I use oft. I think it's underlined in red, so it should give me an error here. This is insane. Yeah. Oh, am I just like missing? Did I delete one too many? Oh, I did delete one too many, but then why don't you like this? Provided argument builder needs literal argument builder. No, that's not what I want. I want this. Hold on. Dispatcher, get root. Get root. What type is get root? This is root command node S. This is a root command node. Wait, this is, oh, you may also use it to clone the command tree. Hold on, I might not need to do this in the stupidest way ever. Hold on, I might have a less stupid way to do this. Let me try this. Command dispatcher equals new command dispatcher. Yeah. Cool. And then what if instead of that, vanilla commands dot, or wait, command dispatcher, and then what are the arguments for this? I don't, what did I even see? What was I looking at just a second ago? Put it back. Root command node. Bro. Look what generic type the get root returns and set that for your variable. Yeah. Yeah. Surely. So get root. Not this S thingamajig. Which just gets passed in when it's created, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, it passes in this command source stack thing. You can clone the dispatcher. Wait, can you? Command dispatcher, root command. Wait, does that work? Hold on. That's what I was looking at. I remember now. Command dispatcher, dispatcher.getRoot. No. New. Yeah, okay, so we can clone it like that. So let's do that. Vanilla commands equals, and then wait, can I just do that? Hold up. Hold the phone. Yeah, so I don't want to do that. Yeah, change that to a command dispatcher. That's what I want. Okay. Now this just, I guess, what if I just set this to null? That's probably a bad idea. Let's just make a throwaway command dispatcher. Waste some memory. Waste some processing power doing that. That's fine. Then in the execute command, then we do commands.vanillacommands.getRoot. Why are you mad? Okay, wait. No. What? What is the problem? I don't get it. Don't init it at all until the code runs, bro. I mean, it says it needs to be cast. What if I just do the cast? If I just cast it, There are no errors. Maybe it works. Maybe we just cast it and it's fine. Nothing is broken. I don't know why I didn't expect to see code when I clicked on this stream. I mean, yeah. There's hella code. Will you play after you upload to upgrade to 1.20.6? I mean, yeah. Like, it'll be fun. I'll get to use the new commands and whatnot. I'm just going through the archives here. Gonna have to do some marketing. Yeah, I'm aware. I will. Since vanilla commands already get root. No, I changed it. It does call get root in here to make like a clone, but that's fine. Okay. It built. Now will it crash? Oh. That. Oh. Okay, wait, that's error loading data. That's fine. That's unrelated. Hold on. It ran. /version. /plugins. Oh my god. Bro. It worked. Okay. Wait, you can't execute run anything. Oh. Oops. Well, we disabled the... All right. Uh-huh. I think that's because this gets registered first. Yeah, this gets registered first. So maybe actually if I did do it the other way. Maybe instead of this, vanilla commands dot register or get root dot maybe we bring this back to how it was. So this dot dispatcher dot get root dot or dot root dot children. Maybe we do this. We'll see. Did you clone it before any commands? No, I cloned it after they were all registered, but I think it registered... Yeah, it registered with the old one. It makes sense. It makes sense why it did that. I don't know if this is how command registration works. Unchecked call. Yeah, well... I'm built different, and I know what I'm doing. I do want to see, like, yeah, so when it does this, okay, it just sets the root to that root. That's passing by reference. That's not cloning. That isn't what we want. So I think this is better. And what does register do? Register just adds a child. It builds the command and adds the child. Okay. So I think this will work. I'm 30% confident this will work. New how to disable execute run tutorial is fire. Are you a moose? Yeah. Let's go. No more execute command. I mean, hell yeah. Now, it was too complicated anyway. What was even the point? It just runs other commands. Oh, execute at? Back in my day, we had a tool for that. It was called walking over to where you want to run the command and running it over there. I love the build process. I love seeing all the errors and warnings. They're so beautiful this time of year. Oh, 100 warnings. There they are. I like how it's a nice even 100. Whenever I see 100 warnings, I'm like, yes, this is good. Everything's correct. Okay, all those errors that we don't need to worry about. And, all right. All the commands are normal. Execute, run. Oh, I did it. I did it? And the commands work? Oh my god. We're not totally done here. We have to double check. We have to double check. We do still have /p give. Run, execute, run. Oh wait, what? No. No, what? Hold on. Wait. Okay. Give at s vote. Okay. No, so it does work. It's just after the second execute run. No, wait. What the hell? Okay, so one execute run, we have only the vanilla commands. Another execute run, suddenly we can see all the bucket commands in here. However, another execute run and there's no more bucket commands. But then another execute run and the bucket commands are back. God. That's hysterical. But it doesn't work. And nobody should ever be execute run /execute. No one should ever do that. However, can I make it so it doesn't even show up? That's so funny. Hold on, where is execute command? Here. Literal execute. How many redirects are we doing? We have a lot of redirects. Get root. We do get root here. That's the only get root. I do not know why it does that. That genuinely feels like it's not my problem. What? Can any of you guys think of why the hell it would do that? Because it must be it's using the master dispatcher. It's using the dispatcher. Is this like... I don't even know. Could be happening because there are two different executes somehow and using one swaps between them. Yeah, that's my thought. Is I was like, I don't know. It's like it takes you back to the raw spot where you would just type in a command. I think you only changed the bucket version of the command, not the vanilla one. So then the vanilla execute command calls the bucket commands too. I mean, it doesn't because it's only one. Yeah, one of the executes can see the bucket commands, the other can't. I always prefix my commands with execute run to look more complicated. And it acts as obfuscation. I mean, it doesn't work. It looks normal, and no one should ever do this. And when you do that, it doesn't work. It functions the way I want it to. Now, the second test is, does it break when I run /reload? /reload. Looks good still. Yeah. I think that's actually it. We test it in a command block again, just in case. Yeah. Incorrect argument. And then if I run /plugins, an unexpected error occurred. What? Why is that? That's new. New bug? Concurrent modification exception. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Oh, concurrent modification section during a reload. Reload breaks everything. We can just assume that reload is always going to be stupid. That's okay. That's fine, actually. But does this break because of /reload? Is that why there's an error? If I rerun this, let me restart it without having ran /reload, because /reload just sends the server into a state where nothing ever works quite how you expect it to. I just log onto YouTube and see my data pack and command helper streaming. Yeah, we out here trying to make this thing work. Yeehaw. We're actually making some progress here. Then, I guess the only other thing I want to do is... Here, let's see. Okay, no. It just says an unexpected error, which... Oh, wait. Oh, that's because it's not running in debug mode. Oh, yeah, no. That's intended. They changed the way command block error logging works. So when the server is running in a debugger, this is some deep Minecraft lore. You will not get this elsewhere. When the server is running in debug mode, instead of saying an unexpected error occurred, it will give you the error message. It'll tell you what went wrong. But if an error is thrown and the server is in normal mode, if it's not in debug mode, then it'll just give a generic error message saying that you can't do it. So this is my error that I specifically put in here. So basically, it works now. So now we get to build it. Now we get to polish it. Here we go. So we have to label all our things with where they came from. Moose, moose. There should also be a line here. Because this is the proper way to do a fork, is you're supposed to keep track of who added what. And this one's already labeled. Moose start clone a vanilla command node root. I can phrase that better. Copy all the vanilla commands into a node. Into a new root for use in /execute. Prevents plugin commands being ran. Beautiful. Now we should also filter this and say if child.command block allowed. If not, child.command block allowed. Continue. And they require that you format it like this, because they're fancy people who do not like their if statements. Yes. So this should also prevent us from running any of these commands. Okay, wait, I have to put this down below. Put another moose start right here. 2 moose sections back to back. I think that's fine. Yeah, they do it right here. Paper does it literally immediately after, so I'm fine. And instead of child, I want to call this node. That's a little simpler. Doesn't like the grammar. Being ran? Being run? I don't know. Those are the same. It's the same. Okay. Now, prevent custom commands and command blocks. Does this, what does this even do? This adds the command blacklist. We'll make this a new patch. Tell you what, I'll make it easier on myself. I'll make it a new patch. I will test it once more. Everything labeled? No, not everything labeled. Moose. Add cast. I don't know why. This is a terrible comment. I don't know why it wants this. There we go. And then moose only run vanilla commands. Okay, and all of these changes, these are not real changes. I didn't do all this. Why is it saying I did all this? The heck? What is the difference here? Oh, indentation? Did it somehow indent the entire thing? There we go. That's better. Okay. So now we're only adding these little bits right here. And all these warnings are totally fine. Let's do it. Okay. You should try out the new UI, the new idea UI. Dude, the new idea UI scares me. There's so few buttons on it. I'm like, where? I don't know. I like this UI. I felt like there was nothing wrong with it. It does look a little bit old-timey, and it is a little bit overwhelming, but I know what the buttons do. If I made tutorials, though, I'd want to update so that it looked modern. Yeah, the new UI, I don't know. Everything's hidden. I can't find out. I can't just like look and see everything. Watching a guy try to update his server with a lot of user content, probably without backups, and try not to put a critical bug. We have backups. We have so many backups. So the Legitimoose server is fairly safe. I asked Logbog if I could stream this. Because I was like, Logbog, I'm streaming like security patches. Is that bad? And he's like, you would know better than me, but like the stakes aren't that high. Like worst case scenario, worst case, somebody takes control of just the Minecraft server and they like grief the lobby and then we just load a backup from 30 minutes before and it's fine. All right. Final test before I make the patch. So you run, yeah. Dude, Yeah, it works. Slash plugins, okay. Might be good to test this with a plugin, but I can do that when I put it on the dev server environment. Is there anything else I gotta test? Execute, run. Listen. It works. It's fine. Yeah. So that seems good to me. That seems good. So then I just make a patch. And the patch should be like this. Make / execute. Can I even put a slash in the title? Prevent, make / execute only vanilla commands. Oh, and we wanted to check blacklisted commands too, like /perf. Execute, run, perf does not work. Amazing. Yay! Only run vanilla commands. That's a pretty good one. So now we commit that, and then we rebuild server patches. Okay, done. And now we've got a new patch right here. Yes, very good. Make execute only run vanilla commands, yeah. And then let's just add some details for my future sanity. Adds a new command dispatcher and root that clones the vanilla non-blacklisted commands. / execute run can only use this root. Cool. You'll love to see it. Why does it say September 17th, 2001? I think they all say that. Yeah. I don't know. It's part of the git patch format. It's 0:25 a.m. and you have school today. Well, yo! Legitimoose community, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. We've made very good progress here today. We're getting this bad boy to work. This thing's gonna be functional. Hell yeah, now you guys can use the reef emotes. We got custom reef emotes. Hell yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's so funny to see Legitimoose community has gifted Legitimoose a membership. It's like, okay. Now I want to see how to do the build changes and make the version say something other than paper. Because I don't know how to do that. That would be in paper, I think. Server build info implementation. Ah. Oh. Brand paper name. Paper. Brand advanced slime paper name. Paper. What the hell is this? Why is it set to paper? Why is the advanced slime paper name set to paper? I just, How do I do this? How do you go back and edit a patch? I forget. Do you have to check out the first patch first? What's the order of operations here? Modifying patch. You can stash them. Fix up. Fix up is easier. Make a temporary commit and then squash it into the old one. Okay. Okay. Yes. I know how to do this. So I believe I just change this to say legit slime paper. I think that'll work. Okay. What if Legitimoose got a low taper fade? Bruh. I'm at that age where I have to make like a conscious decision to keep up with Zoomer stuff. Oh, I just ran rebuild server patches. No. My text. My text. Come back. Damn it. No. That's not what I wanted to do. Shoot. What did I even... Build changes. Wait, no, not build changes. Why the hell am I in build changes? I want this. There it is. Okay, we're good. We're fine. And then I need to apply server patches so that that stays. Don't I? I think I do. It changes the commit message. What if Logbog got a low taper fade? Legit or Moose? Bro, you gotta go Moose. Legit is just, legit's the modifier on the Moose. The Moose is the core. We're building again. Yay, more compiling. Yay. Take me back to... Take me back to where I was. And paper name. Advanced slime paper name. Legit slime paper. And let's just build this. No, wait, that's the wrong one. Stop, don't do that. Think it didn't run. Think we're good. Think we do this. Marvelous. Yeah, now the source code is public. And so now that I've got it open source on GitHub, by the way, you can go look. It's right here. Yeah. You can come on here, and when the server needs to update to 1.20.1 and I'm taking too long to do it, I can say, hey, it's not my responsibility. No, don't give me my authentication code. Get me out of here. Yeah, I can blame the community for it. I can say, hey, it's open source. It's not my fault it's taking a long time. Even though I'm the only one who knows how to work on it. fine. Don't even worry about it. Please build. I'm begging you. Yee-ha. Ever since the Noble Sky incident, I'm seeing more FMs than no rank. True. True, there's so many full mooses on the Legitimoose server. Remember, guys, go to store.legitimoose.com, buy the full moose rank. Support the Legitimoose server. Keep a local Legitimoose server in business. All right, let's see. Did I do it? Legit slime paper! Legit slime paper. Yay, okay. That's the only other change. Now we get to do, actually, weirdly, this is kind of really fun. We have to squash this and merge it into our build changes commit. So I'm gonna say temp commit build changes. I'm gonna do that. Commit it. And then I go back to build changes and I do this secret interactively rebase from here. This one I put here, set it to, is it squash or fix up? What's the difference? Which one is which? One of them merges the messages, one of them just kills it. Get squash versus fix up. Squash uses the message. What is the difference? Squash operation will combine the messages. Fix up will keep the original message. Okay, that's what we want. We want to... Oh, no. Fix up. Okay. So we're just gonna squish that in there. And run that. And... oh... now our build changes commit has the new version information in it. Okay, and then if we rebuild server patches, now build changes has the new name in it. Amazing. Branding. It's my favorite. I'm so glad I learned how to do this. All right. Why is this new? Why did this change? New version of advanced slime paper. I mean, it runs. I guess. Update ASP. I mean, I didn't do that. I didn't do this. But I guess I did. So I'm gonna commit that change. Repositories in the detached head state. No, don't do that. I'm not touching that. You know what? Give me this. Fix, make/execute run only run vanilla commands. Commit. 2 files committed. Now can I git push legit slime paper? This is the only one that I should be able to push. Yes. Yes, I can. And now it's up here. Okay. Okay. Dev imports, I no longer need this. And now it's just this. Update ASP hash? Question mark? Why doesn't it like that? It doesn't like doing that. I'm not gonna touch that. I'm scared. I don't know why it's doing that, and I don't want to mess up the version. So basically, we've got that updated. We have negative explosion radius. We have the game master block permission check. We have click events not working, right? Right. So we should just be able to create reob bundler jar and put this in the dev server. Should be able to run the 1.20.6 version of the Legitimoose server. I can't believe we did that. I can't believe that worked. Where is that gonna go? Where does it build? I don't know. Let's figure out where we're gonna put it anyway. Minecraft Databack Network. In the shared MC folder. Yeah, ASP server. This is what we're replacing. Leak the dev server IP. Localhost. Where did it put it? It built the jar. But where? I thought there was like a build folder. Is there not? Am I losing it? Build. What? It doesn't show up. There it is. Yeah, it's just not there. So does this have it all? Why is it 87,000 kilobytes? Why is it larger than normal? Are you supposed to use bundler jar or paperclip jar? I don't know what the difference is. Let me check Discord. All checks have failed on latest GitHub commit. Yeah, I don't know what the GitHub actions that it has are. Those perplex me. So, hold up. Create bundler jar. Yeah, I think create reob bundler jar is the correct one. Although some people say to run the other one. So really, I think they're exactly the same. Let's rename this to ASP server. And slap it in there. Leaking the source code, guys. Whoa, enable command blocks. Set to true. That's crazy. We on 1.20.6. We on 1.20.6. Sick. Go in here. Think we need one there. And we need one here. And those should be the only ones. Okay. Now we just run Docker. Get the network up. This is gonna take about 1,000 years. Now this is going to break. Wait, is it? It says they're all running. Normally half of these break when I start it. I think it's actually working. Let's check velocity. That does not look good. Oh, that looks good. Yep, looks good. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Oh, it's remapping all the plugins. Does it have to do that every time? No, it's just updating paper. We're good. So the way the update is going to work, the way we're going to roll out 1.20.6 is there's a new setting on the server that just lets you automatically whitelist your world, but basically I'm just going to push the update and it's going to break all the worlds and people are going to have to fix them. But we'll do a big push. It'll be dramatic. We'll all work together as a community to fix the worlds. Okay, sick. This world was made in 1.20.6 and may not work in 1.20.2. Hello? We're running 1.20.6. Okay. Interesting. Oh, we're using an old build of the plugin. That is why. Well, all we need to do is get in here and check that the plugin works. And that we need to check that the plugin works and that /execute run can't run any of our secret admin commands. How is server being funded going? Shockingly well. It's not in the red yet. The server still is not losing money. We had pretty good sales the first month, so we've got a bit of a buffer that we can burn through. And yeah, Sky has been buying everybody ranks, which is pretty cool. That has kept the server afloat. I love the loading times. Hilariously, the server that the server runs on, like the computer that the release server runs on, is faster than mine. So in my dev world, it takes a really long time to start worlds. You have auto jump on? No, I do not. I'm just holding the space bar. I do have, the jump height has been modified with /attribute. So my jumps look weird. Okay. It's running legit slime paper. /plugins. Lever. Doesn't work. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Ah. Execute. Run. Plugins. Oh my god. I did it. It works. The fix we wrote today works. Where is my virus click event? Hold on. Let's see. Boop. Yep, that doesn't work. That's good. That is good. Let me nab this. Telra at A. This. Oh, okay. That does work. So my code is not perfect yet, because that shouldn't be possible. That should not be a thing. Remove click events. We literally are just doing this. Style. dev sources, here we go. This is the legit slime paper code. Okay. So if click event is not null and action equals run command, then we get the command. It starts with the slash, we remove the slash. Then we split it by space. Then we do nothing? Why is it commented out? Why is it commented out? Okay. Oh, because they removed vanilla command nodes. This was a quick build hack. Yes, okay. So, node. Where am I getting a node from? Oh, here. I see. This is ridiculous. Commands dot vanilla commands dot get root dot get children dot stream dot none match node dot no why are you mad? Why are we using dot stream? This is stupid. So for each node in the vanilla command, if node dot what? Where's all the data? Why is it an object? Isn't there a type here? Node. What the hell? Where's the rest of my code? Here, this thing. This. What is this? Why not? There. There. No? Objection? You don't like this. Command source stack. Okay, so it's just supposed to be command source stack. That's what it's supposed to be. Okay. Oh, we're learning. We're learning things. Is it comprehensible? No, but I'm learning. I don't know about you guys, but if not, node.command block allowed. And this. Ooh-wee. Actually, I like my old way of doing this. We're going back to this stupid thing. Yep, and that just works. It just works. Have a redirect here. Ah, we no longer need the redundant cast. We can remove that. And we can remove that. Let's go. Because now we have the correct type in there. Now in style, that seems like our code is back. Seems like our code is back the way it was in olden times. So clean up, execute, patch. Let's build this first. Hold on, let's try it. Because I do love getting ahead of myself and just committing all my code, but let's at least see if it works before we do that. We can make some little tests. It'll be wonderful. And while that builds, I'm gonna be right back and grab water. Hold on just one moment. My beautiful BRB screen. One moment, gamers. And we're back. Back on the stream. Did someone say racist SMP? No, it says races SMP. Although I will admit, this was for a YouTube video by IHasName called like, I made a racist civilization in my, like it was scuffed. And I thought I had something called racist SMP in my server list. I was like, oh god, no. Oh no. Scared me. Okay, what are we testing? This. And it's fixed. It was that easy. Let me just put this here so I have it. Yeah. Yep, click events can no longer have that. What about in a book? Minecraft book generator. Oh, not Minecraft.tools. Oh no. Vote. Where's click event? Click event. Run command. / vote. And generate the command. And it's got the author Minecraft.tools. Awesome. I love Minecraft.tools, and it doesn't work because this is really old. This is like 100, hello? Oh, we're in 1.20.6. Oh, we're not in 1.20.2 no more. MC Stacker, come to my rescue. Give written book. Hello. Run/vote. Click event, run command, /vote. It does nothing. It does nothing. Click here to run/say hi. And then we do /say hi. Yeah, so that. Wow. Okay, that doesn't work because it's a /say is a signed message. So if we did /tellraw at a hi. /quote, no, okay, no. Let's not do something with quotes in it. Give at s stone. Cool, that works, but you can't run /vote because it is not a vanilla command. That's really slick. Aight. Does suggest command work? Yeah, suggest is fine because you as the human get a chance to look at what it's suggesting, and I think that's okay. Hi man, how is you doing? I'm doing good. Banani Maya. Are you Finnish? That's a Finnish looking name. Hold up. All right. I think that's the patch. Nonin. Let me commit these bad boys back. That's your server's name? Yo. We got Moose. What is this? This is the vanilla commands. We changed the type. We're cleaning up the execute patch. Yes. Commit that. And then this one, fix chat click patch. These are temporary names. We don't need them to be any good. Joo, mä voin sanoa jotain suomeksi, mutta se ei ole hyvä. On amerikkalainen ja en ole suomalainen, mutta mä voin puhua vähän suomalainen. Suomea. Ui. Se on ollut 3 vuotta. It's been a hot minute since I've taken any classes or studied any Finnish at all. It's hella scuffed. Toi on kyllä hyvä suomea, kiitos. I took 4 semesters of college Finnish classes just kind of for the fun of it. But I haven't gone back to Finland since doing that. And I've only met like 2 Finnish people in the real world, and so I have never used it outside of a classroom. I heard Askillager language blast in my ears. Oh my god. Alright. Let me clean this up. Here, rebase interactively. Okay. Here we go. Clean up the execute patch goes right here. This gets fix up. This goes here. This goes fix up. And start rebasing. Yes. Yeah, I learned Finnish for basically like no reason other than I thought it was cool. And I have no regrets. Finnish is the best. But, man. Can you reply to us people? Hi people. What's going on? Hey dude. Yo. That should work. Then I should be able to rebuild server patches. I remember when I was playing Minecraft Java and I was like, what is a command block? And now I know everything. So true. So absolutely true. Alright, this... I thought I had like maxed out all of my Minecraft skills. I thought I knew it all, and then I got into forking paper for this. I made this Minecraft project and I was like, oh Jesus Christ. There's more that I didn't know. Like figuring out how to navigate that little rebase menu that I just went through like it was nothing, that took me so long. I did not know how to do it. I thought it was really hard. Fix click event patch for 1.20.6. And honestly, make execute run only in vanilla. These are kind of out of order. I should really merge that to happen first. But I don't really feel like it, so I won't. Fix type in execute patch. I feel like it's bad practice to say patch in this. I feel like it's you're just modifying the server. But functionally, like the functionality didn't really change. Yeah, that's set. Is that open source? This fork is indeed open source. The source code is in the description. I remember looking up a tutorial on how to get a command block when I was like 9. Yeah. Oh my god, the ancient days. Back in my day. I remember when command blocks were added to the game and I was hyped. I was like, dude, this is the best thing ever. You scripted sidebar in 3 hours and it has set money, set level, and /task set. That sounds pretty cool. Hell yeah. What's the advantage of having a fork of paper? I can change the source code of Minecraft. So this is like basically Mojang code right here that I'm able to go in and mess with. And there's a lot of things that paper doesn't expose because paper just has an API. So you can only change things in paper that they've decided to let you change, whereas this lets you go in and literally change any part of the code. And so that allows me to make some much needed security fixes and also some very, very low level tweaks that really no project other than my server could ever have a use for. Like disabling certain run events in chat and disabling /execute running non-vanilla commands. I'm like, that's just not a thing. What is an explosion with a negative radius? That's when you make a creeper have a negative explosion and it doesn't deal damage, but it still does knockback. And so that's able to like mess with players' momentum. There's a Minecraft. What Delta? What's the cool one? I think there's a new one. But yeah, there's this library that's just a data pack. I think there's a new one. But yeah. Delta's still the good one? Okay, cool. Yeah, so Delta wouldn't work on paper normally unless you apply this negative explosion radius patch to make it act like vanilla. Because you can see that for some reason in like 2012 or something, CraftBucket decided to clamp the values. I don't know why they did that, but it breaks things like Delta. Stop telling me to fix my email. I'll get to it. I'll get to it. Okay, we have built our thing. There it be. Let me take down the server. Not the actual release server. This is my dev server. Obviously. Put that in there. Put that in here. Slime helper is ridiculous. This is literally just a thing that is designed to, the first time the server starts, create one empty slime world to use as the template. It's very silly, but that's what it does. Aight. So I do believe that's 1.20.6 done. Like, I can go into my server. I think this is new content. I think y'all ain't never seen the Legitimoose server source code. I think I can go in here and update the server to 1.20.6. Yeah. And this should be like ready. And this, all this has is the world version being set to 1.20.6. That's the only difference. I remember when my friend was like, what would it feel like to own Minecraft server? And now we were coding and building the server with 12 staff members. That's more staff than the Legitimoose server. Right now the server's on 1.12.2, although it has VIA version, so you can join with any version newer than 1.12.2. But yeah. That builds that. Then you get to see my beautiful dev setup. CD data pack network. I've got this copy plugin script that just copies the plugin into the place it needs to be. Restart the lobby. Who thought it would be written in Kotlin? Oh, it's written in Kotlin, all right. It is indeed written in Kotlin. I wish I could write a fork in Kotlin, but that's a little excessive. You mean 1.12.2? I honestly, I don't know what I said. I have no idea what was said. No announcement in Discord. Yes, announcement in Discord. The stream was announced. Yes, indeed. And then we'll get this thing. So here, now, yeah, now we're in 1.20.6. So those errors, see, this is what the warning is going to look like. This world was made in 1.20.2 and may not work in 1.20.6. And if you go in here in settings and you set whitelist on version change, it'll automatically whitelist your world until you manually update it. No, I haven't pushed it yet. I pushed it to my dev server. This is my beautiful lobby. As you can see. I've been having really good luck with the bug fixes lately. I'm keeping the update all to myself, right? I know, I've had the update fully working except for those 2 security fixes. And I was like, well, I can't publish it with gaping security holes in it, but other than that, it works. How do you make the warning disappear? I will show. I will demonstrate. But the answer is /edit version 1.20.6. And if you run that in your world, it'll work. Now we wait. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Oh, and you get to see all my debug messages because I have those enabled. There's a secret command on the Legitimoose server /toggle debug. And it just gives you a whole ton of information that you don't need. It also gives you like the HTTP response that you get. It's pretty cool. Pretty fancy. So here we are. But yeah, now if I do edit /edit version, I can set it to 1.20.6. Yep. Okay. So here we are. Yep, that doesn't work. And execute run plugins. That doesn't work either. Where's my exploit command? Vote. Vote doesn't work. Okay, beautiful. Put this here too. Keep all my exploits in one place. And let me put down the vote sign. Do I have the vote sign on me? I don't know where it went. No, I don't have it. Whatever. I trust that it works. Asyncomatic on debug server? For real, for real. Execute run, execute run. Yeah, execute run does make all the commands appear, but yeah, it doesn't actually work. So I don't know why it's like that. But it does fail to run. So that's a good thing. Got these things I stole from the compass. You'll love to see it. Okay. So that is the server ready to update to 1.20.6. It's done. There's nothing left. I could write a changelog. Let's write a changelog. I don't think there's any changes. Lobby, plugins, datapack server config. Here we go. The changelog. Added whitelist, banlist, and kick player. I think we basically just need to do what 1.20.6 is here. Oh, I should also test Axiom. Let me do that. Yo, Legitimoose community, upload it now. Hell yeah. I'm working on it. I am working on it. 1.20.6 is here. All worlds now use item components and other 1.20.6 features. Yes. To update, to remove the warning on your world, run gold /edit version 1.20.6 gold. And now changelog reload. That's pretty good. That's pretty crisp. Let me make that red. And also let's try out this version. Axiom. Let me in. Network protocol error. Okay, Axiom really doesn't like it. Axiom is really displeased, and I don't know if that's because my plugin is out of date or if Axiom is out of date. Axiom's right. I don't know why Axiom is malding. I'm a little scared. Well, how's this for a changelog? Remove the warning on your world. Run edit version 1.20.6. Remove that period so it's easier to read. If you do edit version anything other than 1.20.6, it will fail to run because that is the only allowed thing. How rough was Docker to learn? I didn't have to learn Docker because Logbog did it. That was his contribution to the project, was Logbog learned Docker for his work. And then he was like, yo, I think I know how to make the Minecraft server. Because I had tried to make this project like 2 years ago and failed. And so Logbog is very much the one who made this whole thing possible. Now that I've been working with Docker, I feel like I have enough of an understanding that I could make it myself, but I am glad that I did not have to and that I can outsource that to Logbog. Truly. Yeah, that's a fine changelog. That's fine. Now, let's see if I can get Axiom working. Axiom plugin. Here we go. May 8th. I think this is the version I'm running. Why? Added VIA version to support. Maybe I gotta update VIA version. Maybe that's the problem. I am rather certain that that's the same one. Close legit slime paper. We download Axiom. Yeah, we're downloading 1.5.11. This is what we're running. So why does it hate me? Let's turn off everything but Axiom. Oh, won't let me do that. Okay. Let's turn off everything but Axiom. Oh, it deleted NVIDIA. Okay. Oh, and it's back. Very cool. Love to see it. Fascinating. We can update both of these, but I'm going to keep them turned off. Update the Fabric API. Just make everything up to date. Axiom version 3.1.0. Is there a new one? Actually, let's see. Axiom versions. This is the latest one for 1.20.6 at least. There might be a newer one for 1.21. That would appear to be the newest one. Would be funny if you add a finish roll to Discord. Yo, that would go hard. Self-assignable. Start doing streams in Finnish where I only use the 100 words that I know. Alright. Barely modded. Network protocol error. Why? Class not found. Exception. Failed to handle packet. What is your problem? Failed to handle packet. Hold on. Let's look up what this is. Minecraft class name lookup. What the heck is it? Here we go. And Logbug says, Docker isn't that bad to learn at all. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go. Search for a name. What is net.minecraft.class.2653? No, it doesn't have 1.20.6. All right, that's not going to work. Something is not working. We were going to try updating VIA version as well. Let's do that. VIA version. Copy to the instances. Restart the lobby. You love to see it. If it still doesn't work, there's a jar for 3.1. Is there really Axiom mod? Legitimoose, the whitelist enable and whitelist disable enables and disables safe scoreboard data. What the hell? Did I really miss that? I would. That's the type of thing I would miss. Whitelist. Enforce whitelist. Where is it? Where is it? Command tree whitelist enabled on off. Oh my god. No way, dude. Oh my god. That's hilarious. That should be correct. Yeah. Average moose code. Listen. It's fine. Don't worry about it. What is this? Chest size. Wait. Fix. Make / whitelist on. Actually turn on the whitelist. Good. Thank you for the bug report. Okay. Network protocol error, man. Has someone in the Axiom Discord reported this? Because normally that's a skill issue on my part. Normally that's something I'm doing, but... I suspect Downgrade to Fabric API. What the hell? Yeah, Mulberry does indeed have a fix for this, but it's weird. Bro claims that downgrading the Fabric AI to 0.99 will fix it. Let's see. Also, you instantly crash when you join in 1.20.6. Huh. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I'm trying to figure out here. Axiom might be borked. Wait. No way. Downgrading the Fabric API version to 0.99 fixed it. All right. Take notes because people in the Legitimoose server are gonna complain. They're gonna ask how to fix it, and you guys gotta tell them. Downgrade the Fabric API to 0.99. What the hell? Okay. So that's Axiom working. And it says 3.1 is available, but Modrinth doesn't see it. Yeah, it's a client-side issue. The network protocol error thing has been really annoying because in 1.20.6, Mojang changed it. It used to be, I'm pretty sure that getting sent invalid packets from the server, it would just ignore that. But now when you get sent invalid packets, it kicks you from the server. And so it's much stricter on server owners and plugin developers to make sure that you are only sending valid packets. And so I actually had a lot of trouble with that when upgrading to 1.20.6. But I did figure it out. I had to go and just read the logs very carefully and then look at some deobfuscation mapping. As if that says anything. That's not really helpful, but, you know, it's doable. Okay. Let's rebuild this. Technobabble for real. Yeah, listen. I know most of you guys aren't making plugins. And if you are, I'm sure you can figure it out. Or you can ask me. Yeah, I think I'm going to be able to update the server to 1.20.6. I think I can just do that. TBH. Because, yeah, my plugins... Well, I'm a little scared, actually. I'm gonna have to check the versions on everything. Well... Because I've got this kind of scuffed script that downloads all the plugins, but it downloads the latest versions. And so if the 1.21 versions are broken, then it could cause issues. I should really just make it specify an exact version. TBH. But basically that's it. I just need to make sure that it actually works, which is going to take some more intense testing than I think I'm willing to do right now. Although, I don't know. We could just be stupid and run this script and see if it works. We got FAW. We got Command API. What version of Command API does this download? Plugin.yml. Whoa. Okay, this is 1.13. What the hell? I think it would be fine. I think it would be fine. I think we test it locally. We test it locally because I always don't test things and then they always die. I think it'll be fine. What's the latest version of protocol lib? We even using protocol lib? I don't even think we are, but... Oh, what? Just downloads it? What is this? This also says 1.13. Why does it say 1.13? I don't know. I have no idea. We're gonna run install plugins. Is there anything stupid in here? It's a bunch of Docker containers, this big warning saying it doesn't work, but no, it totally does work. Just ignore that. Get the plugins. Yup. Yup. Cool. Okay. Did it convert these to Windows line endings? The hell? Why is it? Go to Unix. It was a line endings problem. All right. All right. My dev tools. My amazing scripts that I write. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay. So now we should be able to up this. Yes. No. Oh. Zip file not found. Ah, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. Command API, data pack, server paper. All right, fast async world edit is complaining. Yeah. Why is fast async world edit displeased? Lobby. Go away. Download that. Oh, error 404. That would be why. Download this link no longer works. Because it's no longer the last successful build. Okay, that would explain it. Yes. Basically, this script is stupid. And doesn't work. And except for the exact second that it is written. If this script has the shortest expiration date known to man. There we go. Yeah, okay, that downloaded a real file. Why is Freedom Chat 9 kilobytes? I guess Freedom Chat is just 9 kilobytes. That's fine. It literally just turns off chat signing. Okay. Lobby. Restart. protocol lib is 100% going to download the 1.21 version. Nah. I think protocol lib maybe works for any version. Maybe. It might. You should get a better upload schedule to get high pixel YouTube rank, and as soon as you get it, post once a year like normal. That's the goal. Really, that's my long con. I'm gonna become a really good YouTuber for like a couple months, get high pixel YouTube rank, and then retire. Okay, fast async world edit is go. Protocol lib. Protocol. Check. Updated did not find. It looks fine. Looks like we're using a dev build of protocol lib. Yeah, looks like we're using a dev build of protocol lib. Well, I'm genuinely not even convinced that it is using protocol lib for anything. I feel like that's just bloat at this point. And did I run my copy plugin script? No, I didn't. Gotta copy them all to the other folder, to the instance folder. Okay. Actually, let me... yeah, no, we can go to this one. I was like, let me test a complicated world. Nah, it's fine. Easy B, welcome to the chat. We're gaming. 1.20.6 is just about ready. And when it is, y'all are gonna have to scramble to get them worlds updated. Because there will be a... It's gonna lock all the worlds, and all the worlds will have a big warning on them. I'll be like, come in and fix your worlds. Oh, let's set an MOTD. What the heck is the MOTD of this server? I don't know. Velocity. Velocity toml. Here we go. And we go to webui.adventure.dev. Joke's on you, I keep restarting my data pack and barely have 30 lines of code. That's perfect. That's what we like to hear. Ooh-woo. Server list. There we go. All right. So now we try to write a nice marketing line. What do we put here? Now on 1.20.6. 6. Update your data packs or perish or die. That's a little aggressive. Update your data packs or else. That's pretty good. 1.20. I mean, putting the server version in here, I don't know why it even says 1.20 when we're running VIA version. I think that's an artifact from before we had VIA version. Update your data packs now! Can I put a moose emoji in there? Does Minecraft display the moose emoji? I don't feel like it does. No. Wait, it does! Wait, Minecraft displays the moose emoji. Nobody's gonna know what the hell it is. If I make this like red. Update your data packs now. Nah, I think it's better. Better with just the blue. Whitelist on. Does that work? Whoa. Axiom works. Yeah, it actually sets the whitelist. Yay. Whitelist on version change works. This thing works. The server's looking like it's in darn good shape. These things still work. Oh, whoa. Why do you suddenly stop working? What is that? Why do you do that? Did I download a server somehow? What the hell? What did I do? That's a problem. Bro, it just installs the slime paper server. What the hell? No, don't do that anymore. No longer running slime paper. Use legit slime paper. Blocks. Okay. I think the files are gone because I think I cut and pasted them, so I think I have to rebuild it. Oh my god. It's always something. It's always something. Whoo-wee. Never cut, only copy. See, I thought it was safe. I was like, why would it overwrite? What would I ever need this file again for? Whoopsie. I am glad I checked that. Are we on? Yeah, we're on 1.20 point that. Weird. Wee. 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 Still building. It's amazing it even works at all. See, this is the wondrous thing about paper, is these are all for completely the wrong version of Minecraft, and they still run. They're for a newer version, and they still run fine. So I'm like, paper offers a certain amount of flexibility that I think running on something like Fabric. I haven't really messed with Fabric, in all honesty, but I think Fabric would not be so polite. Are you built? Yes, it's built. Take it all down. Take it all down. Don't mind these two that are just gonna hover here forever. Though that's fine. Don't even worry. Put that in there. Slime helper. Ah! There's a folder in here. That's not supposed to be there. Get out of there. And yeah, shared MC. Shared slime helper. That's all good. That's all good. How close are we in moose time? Soon. Soon. We're just doing some final testing. Then it will be 1.20.6. Soon. Okay. This should just be paper 1.20.6. Take me home, country roads. Let's-a go. This looks pretty good. I think that's funny. Velocity.toml. There we go. Lobby. Push this. This config doesn't matter. That's irrelevant. This is irrelevant. Velocity plugins. Proxy chat. Doesn't matter. Do this. Moose, should I be watching this instead of doing my schoolwork? You can do both. You can have this on while doing schoolwork. You can turn me down so quiet that I'm just like a little fly. Feet. Update to 1.20.6. Well, let's test it first. Whoa, we got no gravity. Do this. Yeah, we're running it now. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing when things just work. Whee! Can do this. Can do this. Fantastic. Okay. Commit. Yeah, let's do that. And Datapack server paper, this is built. That's up to date. This is up to date. It's all up to date. Oh my God. I think it's about time. Okay. I think it works. I think it's ready to push. I don't know what else I would test, but something always breaks. And I haven't eaten lunch, so I'm a little bit scared. I'm just a bit nervous to be doing such a thing. Should it be time? Yeah, all right. All right, let's run this bad boy. Broadcast. It's time. 1.20.6 incoming. Well, maybe make a maybe make a backup of just everything. Of just absolutely everything. If I do it now, we'll see. Nah, it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. Server closing. Updating to 1.20.6. Hey. I'll give people a moment to pause what they're doing. Isn't 1.21. Nope, not 1.21. 1.20.6. 1.21 will be here eventually. Maintenance on. Goodbye. Everybody's gone. All right. Everybody's off the server. I'm gonna wait for everything to close. Oh, it looks like everything is closed. Running instances 4. Let me just stop all the instances by hand. That looks good. Unstuck all the worlds. How long will it be down? Hopefully not long. Hopefully like 5 minutes. Running instances. 0 running instances. Okay. I'm gonna put this on my second monitor. You guys won't be able to see what I'm doing. But I'm running commands. Actually, really, this part can't stream at all. So this is gonna be just Minecraft. You guys will have to take my word that I'm doing things. But this part has the I don't know what I was going with that. All right, we close the network. Docker compose down the whole thing. And now I update the Git repository, which that part's always annoying. It's mad at me. It's malding. Okay. I have to merge into main. I forgot about that. Merge 1.20.6 into main. Conflict. No, wait. Oh, God. This is a disaster. Merge conflicts. My beloved. Stop doing that. Whatever, it's fine. I got it. I just have to make sure the update actually shows up when you see the update. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Everybody's watching a blank Minecraft screen while I type commands into a console. It's thrilling. Oh, wait, oh my god, it actually get pulled without any complaints. Normally it's got a bunch of merge conflicts. Okay, that's a really good start. Okay, now I run install plugins. Sudo install plugins. I'm scared. This is the point of no return. Chmod plus X install plugins, maybe. Now I run it. Okay, now I can run it. Okay, no, it's malding. No, it's good. It's good. Not malding. Done. Done. Spooky. Okay. Now I run my update script. And my update script, I need to copy ASP server. GitHub support plus. Yeah, that would be fancy. Okay. This is very slow. It's copying files over SSH. That's gonna take 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So, you guys know any knock-knock jokes? What is happening? I just got this stream recommended. Well, right now we're trying to update the Legitimoose server to 1.20.6. And it's working. Slowly. Oh, it's getting slower. Oh, it's getting slower. Now it's a 7.5 minute ETA. Dear God. Why is SSH like this? What do you mean it was designed in the 80s? I get to run all around. Yeah, it might just be because I'm streaming. Very real possibility that it's because I'm streaming. The OBS is eating the packets. What do you call a deer with no eyes? No idea. English or Spanish? Finish. Talk about the lore. Piano, Tokipona, etc. Yo. Hold on, the notification's gonna come in. Oh no, the notification's not gonna come in. Because the stream effects aren't on here because we're in my recording scene. That's fine. Yeah, alright, we can talk about some lore while this thing runs. Oh man, what's been going on? I've been thinking of starting a second channel. I've been thinking of starting a second channel to post garbage. Because the Legitimoose channel is too pristine. I can't mess with it. Basically in the 12 months that I've been not posting, I've been doing a bunch of unrelated things that kind of have nothing to do with Minecraft or this YouTube channel. I've gotten really into Vocaloid music production. So like, I've been like, man, my music's not like good enough to post anywhere, but I do spend a lot of time making it. And so it would be kind of fun to post that somewhere. Welding tutorial when? Soon. I'm gonna learn how to weld and then I'm gonna make a welding tutorial. It'll be fantastic. Why was the server down for a few days? It was down because I was at open sauce. I was at the thing that isn't VidCon for the maker YouTubers. And the second I left my house and was away from my computer, the lobby crashed. It ran out of memory. Welding 101, basically go in pattern that make your welds look good. Good to know. You'd sub to Legitimoose? Okay, noted, noted. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe I announced that at the end of the next video. I'm like, hey guys, second channel. Oh, okay, here we go. Poll, guys. Second channel, do I call it Illegitimoose? Do I call it Legitimoose? Do I call it Legitimtoose? Like, there's so many options. I feel like Illegitimoose is still the funniest. But I'm curious what y'all are thinking. Unlegitimoose. That's just Illegitimoose, but worse. Illegitimoose. Legititoose is crazy. Legitismoose. Yeah, Legitimoose would be confusing. Legitimorse? Legitimorse. Oh, that's so good. Or I could call it like one of the other things that I go by, like Leg Moses or Leg Tit Moose. I don't think YouTube would like Leg Tit Moose. 3D printing channel when? I don't have a 3D printer, sadly. Logbog won a 3D printer in a raffle at Open Sauce. He won like a really nice 3D printer. Legitimoose. If you name it something completely unrelated, you can get comments like, wow, I didn't realize blank is Legitimoose. That is also true. I have been thinking of starting a second channel and just not telling anyone, because that would also go hard. You're in a Discord server called Legitimoose? What the hell? I'm not even aware of that Discord server. I don't know if I want to be. Actually, I do have a couple channels from like 2012 that are not branded as Legitimoose, but there's like nothing on there. I've got my Minimator animation channel. Authentic elk. Legitimoise 2.0. Oh no. Yeah, okay. Other poll. Secondary poll. Thank you guys for the feedback. The other thing I've been wondering is, should I rebrand the Legitimoose server? All right. I've been thinking of doing like a big poll or making like a video asking about this. So I'm like, the Legitimoose server, it's kind of confusing. It's kind of confusing. And Bonani, I'm not ignoring you. There's just a lot of chat. Because yeah, I could rebrand the Legitimoose server. I was thinking, I don't know. Because before I launched it, I was trying to figure out what to call it. And I was like, I feel like it could be named something more descriptive. Like, I was thinking like Mine Garden. Because I'm like, what if we made it like techno cottagecore themed? I'm like, I don't know. Because the Legitimoose server, it's just confusing. It's like, it's great if you know who I am. But otherwise, it's like, what is it? I don't know. Yeah, I've been trying to figure out. I was hoping like datapack.dev was free, but there were no cool URLs free. And so I already had the Legitimoose URL, and so I just used it. I was like, yeah, I got it on hand. It's branded to me. It's good. Yeah, I think making the server its own entity would be good. Okay, people hate Mine Garden. Noted. It does sound kind of generic. Okay, one thing has pushed to the server. All right, good, good. Now I can copy the plugin. Copy the plugin. Datacraft. Datacraft is not terrible. It's relevant. If we made a channel where you could just post name ideas. Maybe, maybe. I want to know what, like, the most highly voted ones are. I'm like, I don't know. Like a comment section where the best ones. We need like a Reddit thread. Emerald water. Jesus Christ. Okay. Updating everything. Did I update all that? Okay. That's looking good. Let's see what happens if I start the network. Let's see if it's updated to 1.20.6. Netherite milk. In Finnish time, it's 3 a.m. Jesus Christ. Okay. Client and server versions don't match. Why is this still on 1.20.2? Why is it? Oh, I didn't. What? How? How? Bro? Hold on. Wait, what? Did my merge, like, fail? How the hell? How did I pull that off? Mm-hmm. All right. Feet update lobby to 1.20.6. Commit. Docker compose down. I didn't okay, I did forget to update the server jar, but I forgot to update the config file that tells Docker what server jar to use. That's what I did. Doing a collab with other data pack channels on the server would be a good way. Perchance, perchance. I don't know how to do collabs. TBH, when it comes to working with other YouTubers, I don't know what I'm doing. You kind of, like, for a collab, you really have to show up and offer a lot of value. You have to be like, hey, I've done all the hard work. Now you just show up. And I think I could totally do that. I have the street cred to do that. But I don't have the actual thing. All right, let's try the server now. I'm booting it back up. And now we just... Look at the comments of your server announcement video. Big names in there. Yeah, for real. Mysticat and Fundy. and others all showed up and were like, yo. Oh, we're on 1.20.6. We've done it. Do I have world edit? We have world edit. Plugin's broken. Axiom paper is broken. Axiom is broken. Why? Why? Is Axiom supposed to be working? It's the lobby. I don't even know we had Axiom in the lobby. Why is it broken? Docker compose logs. Oh. Oh my god. That's the thickest error message I've ever seen. It tried to load one invalid item, and it's mad. No such field error. It's via version. Via version bucket. I think via version's up to date. Yeah, via version 501. Why is it displeased? Does it work in my dev environment? Yes. No such field error. Huh? I've never seen that before. Time to check the Axiom Discord. No. Well, let's check a world. Let's check a world. What's going on in chat? Christmas, rename yourself the Legita Reindeer. So true. Maybe drop a DM in the YouTube you want to collab with saying something like, if you're interested in checking out together for a video, would you be interested in a collab or stream? Perchance, perchance. All right, this Axiom also doesn't work. Why is Axiom broken, dude? It's in paper. It's the correct version. Let me stop the lobby. Re-download Axiom and see what happens, because maybe it's just downloaded wrong. Sometimes that happens. Oh, that was fast. Oh, it worked. It just downloaded wrong. Huge. Okay. Okay. Now I copy that same file over to the instances folder. Make sure I sudo it just in case. Just in case something's silly. Now this world's offline again. Let's start it up. And we should be able to see Yes, all the worlds have their little warnings on them. Wonderful. You love to see it. And my file, yeah. Okay, Axiom is here. Amazing. Okay, now let's test our security patches. Are they here? Oh, the command blocks aren't. Yes. Execute run. Plugins. Yes. Where's my vote command? Where's the vote command? Where's my scam command? Yeah. Okay. And let me do another one just to test it. At S stone. The stone one works. The vote one does not. Yes. Yes. We did it. Okay. That's the server updated. Let me just check. The thing about Visual Studio Code is it's not gonna have syntax highlighting for 1.20.6 because Datapack Helper Plus has been discontinued in favor of a new one, and the new one isn't done yet. But yeah, it does still work. Okay. Somehow, everything works. I don't know how that's possible, but nothing is broken. Why does Moose have double hotbar slots? Hide his secret. I don't know what you're even talking about. You mean these? You mean these? Or... Maintenance off. Now on 1.20.6. Update your data packs now. Yeah. The successor to Datapack Helper Plus is called Spyglass. Come out of recording mode. Okay. Hold on. We're back. We're so back. Gotta stack. There was something at the bottom of the screen. Next project, fork Datapack Helper Plus and update it yourself. Yeah, exactly. So true. Folks, I think your games might be broken. Just maybe. I think everything might be broken. Network protocol error. If you're using Axiom, downgrade the Fabric API to version 0.99. Let me make a Discord announcement. Server is now on 1.20.6. Update your worlds now. I gotta make this sound good. I gotta make this sound appealing. It's the perfect time to learn the new Datapack syntax. Item components and the new size attribute should be sick as heck. I'm hyped to see what everyone makes. I'm making it appealing, guys. I'm making it appealing. Axiom network protocol error. Downgrade Fabric API to version 0.99. Okay, and what else? Is there anything else? Errors in VS Code. Datapack helper plus is not updated to 1.20.6. There is a new work in progress project called Spyglass that will be added to the server when it is released. Is there anything else we want to say? Is that it? Never seen Logbug's rank before. I know. What a special occasion. Logbug has the coolest looking rank. And nobody ever sees it. Okay. Code will still work fine. Ignore errors for now. At server changelog. Okay. Cool. You'll love to see it. Woo, the server works. Okay, now everybody go buy full moose. Go buy 100 world slots. Store.legitimoose.com. We got merchandise. We got ranks. You want these. They have good items. You get world slots. You can make even more projects. You can use Axiom. It's good. Axiom's not available to everyone. Right now it's only available to full mooses. Your humor reminds me of Technoblade. Thank you. Thank you. He was a big inspiration. What the? You're alive? Indeed. Just wait till you see me upload a video. It's gonna happen. I swear. Does the world system allow more than 27 worlds per person? Right now the menu does not, but yes, because you could, if you wanted to see more than 27 worlds of a person, you can type in their username in the search bar, and then you have the page UI. So I'm gonna fix it. Guston, it's Pride Month. Get out of here. Everybody on the Legitimoose server is based. Could I answer your question? Can you add scoreboards and functions where you can't select them as scoreboards and functions to use in the actual game? I don't even know what you're asking, but I would recommend asking in the Discord server. Yeehaw. Where's everybody going? Max is updating their world. Everybody's updating their worlds. Go update your worlds. That's my message to you all. It's 5:30 p.m. and I haven't eaten lunch yet. So ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for tuning into the stream. I can't believe we got the server updated to 1.20.6 in a single live stream. That is unheard of productivity levels. And I wish I could stick around and hang out, but unfortunately, I'm gonna starve to death. So I'm gonna go get me some food. And I say you all go to sleep if you're up at 3 in the morning in Europe watching the stream. Otherwise, get on the server and start updating your stuff to 1.20.6. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be sick. Because then when I make a video soon and everybody joins, there will be a bunch of functional worlds. So get in here, do the thing. Good night, everybody.